Hello everyone and welcome to NEET Mentor. So very important update for the state of Maharashtra. Government of Maharashtra has declared the notification for NEET PG 2021 counseling. Okay, we have been waiting from long time when the Maharashtra state will open its registration and the counseling process. So the date is now, and you can see the notification here and the schedule important date. So if you are new to the channel, you can also subscribe the channel, okay, and don't forget to hit the like button, because we are giving you very timely updates about all the notification updates. And you subscribe this channel, you won't able to miss any of the update. Okay, you can also avail the services for our paid counseling guidance. Sooner you do, better it will be for you and us. Okay, and in the description of the video you can find some important assets like ebooks. You can download those as well. The publication happened today as on 11th of Jan, and online registration is going to start from 13th. Okay, 12th is the date of registration, that is tomorrow. MCC counseling registration is starting, and 13th is the starting date of registration for Maharashtra state counseling. And payment of non-refundable registration fee, that is of 3,000, you need to do from 13 to 17. So you got a registration 5 days of time. Okay, and then you need to upload the required color scan original documents. So color scan copy of original documents, it means you need to have the originals with you. After you do the successful payment, then you need to upload the documents required over there. And after that, on 18th, you will see the merit list including in service, NRI and PWD candidates. Publication of common provisional state merit list will be published on 21st. Publication of seat matrix you can see on 21st, and online choice preference, okay, starting from 22 to 27. And how I relate with online choice preference, you can see on the bottom. As I mentioned in the previous video, state counseling 20 to 24th. Okay, so they are starting their choice preference from 22nd to 27th. Declaration of result will happen on 28th, and the joining formality from 29th to 3rd of February in 6 days. The window of online registration will be closed on 17th. Okay, no offline application will be accepted, you have to do it online mode. And these are some other instructions that you can read it out. And for PWD verification, okay, we are still waiting for the seat matrix to be published on MCC website. It seems there is some problem with the website. They are on the way to fix it, because once the registration process starts, it has to be very smooth and flawless. Okay, so that's it, and we will meet again with some other important updates. And until then, goodbye and take care.